I'm hiding down here because I don't want the women in my life to know I'm about to say something really controversial. Ladies, you need meat to save your hormones. And please don't tell my mom I said that. But in all seriousness, we need to talk about why women have been conditioned to fear meat and how that's harming their health. Because believe it or not, your hormonal health and really your entire well-being might just depend on embracing that steak, those eggs, and everything else we've been told to avoid. Think about it. Historically, we've been sold this idea that meat is for men. You see it in old advertisements, where guys are grilling steaks and women are nibbling on salads. The message? Be lean, be light, be small. And with that, a whole culture of dieting was born. One that prioritized thinness over true health and strength. And who paid the price? Women, with hormonal imbalances, infertility struggles, and declining mental health. It's time to challenge that narrative. What if avoiding meat isn't just a harmless cultural trend? What if it's actually sabotaging women's health? Here's what's really happening. Women steer clear of animal protein. They miss out on key nutrients that are absolutely vital for hormone health. That's why I need to break this down. Iron, for example, is critical for energy and reducing fatigue. Most women are iron deficient, especially during their reproductive years. Sure, plants have iron, but it's non-heme iron which the body poorly absorbs. But that juicy steak is packed with heme iron, the kind your body actually knows how to use. And zinc, which is super important for ovarian function and immune health, helps regulate the menstrual cycle and supports fertility. And guess what? Animal foods are the best sources of bioavailable zinc. Then there's vitamin B12 found almost exclusively in animal products. This powerhouse nutrient supports mental clarity, energy levels, and yes, hormone production. Without it, you might find yourself battling brain fog, fatigue, and low mood. And let's talk about fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, and K2. These are crucial for hormone synthesis and bone health, and they're best absorbed when paired with fats, the kind found in animal foods. This isn't just about eating meat. It's about getting the right kind of nutrition. Now let's dive deeper into hormones. Cholesterol has gotten a bad rap over the years, but here's the truth. Cholesterol is the building block for all your sex hormones, including estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, and more. If you're skimping on animal fats, you're depriving your body of what it needs to make these hormones. That can mean irregular periods, low libido, mood swings, and you name it. And consider this. Adequate protein intake maintains muscle mass, which helps improve insulin sensitivity. This is crucial for women battling conditions like PCOS or facing menopause. Protein helps regulate blood sugar levels, keeping those dreaded insulin spikes at bay. And when you stabilize your blood sugar, you're also stabilizing your hormones. Less cortisol means less stress, better sleep, and a happier you. But let's address some common concerns, shall we? Some women worry that eating meat will make them gain weight. Here's the kicker. Protein and fat are incredibly satiating. They reduce cravings and help you stay full longer. The results? You're less likely to reach for those carb-heavy snacks that actually drive weight gain. Then there's the myth that meat is bad for your heart. I get it. We've been fed a lot of misinformation about saturated fat, but the latest research is clear. There's no strong link between saturated fat and heart disease. In fact, for women embracing animal fats, this has led to better lipid profiles and improved heart health. I know some of you might say, I just don't feel good eating meat. That's valid. Sometimes digestive issues can make it tough to dive into a steak dinner. If that's you, consider starting with low histamine options or introducing meats gradually. Often it's just about giving your body time to adjust. Now, I won't pretend this path is without challenges. There are social pressures, and those can be intense. Many women feel judged for eating a steak in public or even in front of family. It's hard to push against the tide of popular culture, but maybe, just maybe, it's time to change that narrative. And if finances are a concern, know this: you don't need to break the bank to nourish your body. Ground beef, organ meats, and even eggs are affordable, nutrient-dense options that can make a world of difference. And for those who struggle with digestion, consider cooking your meat slowly or even adding digestive enzymes if necessary. Small tweaks can lead to big changes. So here's my call to action. Ladies, it's time to take back your hormones and your health with real food. The steak or ground beef on your plate might just be the secret to glowing skin, balanced moods, and the energy you've been craving. And if this message resonates with you, share this video with every woman you know who fears meat. Together, let's rewrite the story and prioritize metabolic and hormonal health. All right, I guess it's time to come out of hiding like I've done today. Let's face the world and spread the gospel of meat, one steak-loving woman at a time. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health inside and out.